Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products, and we're going to be finished hacking up this blue pine. Got part of it cut up already because it needed to go to the customer. So we're going to finish this up, and then I've been cutting up a bunch of juniper and some maple. We'll take a look at that once we get this chopped up. But go ahead and get this cut up, and then we'll take a look at some wood. Okay, well, the first couple of slabs off of it ended up being awful punky. This is the side that was laying on the ground, so we'll see if this gets a little better. Yeah, it's still a little punky in here. Yep, pretty soft yet. Woo. Well, we'll get this one flipped over, see if the next one gets to be a little better. Yeah, it looks like out of this half of the log, only 2 of the slabs are even going to be usable. This one has quite a bit of punky down the sides of it anyway. Oh, it's not even the greatest slab. Unless somebody wanted to put a lot of tabletop epoxy on it and stabilize it all. Yeah, I'll flip this one over and get a look at the last one. Oh, come on. Come on. Start.
Okay, I guess I'm here, guys. He's been winging it on his own because I had to do dinner and stuff, but...
Yeah, my wet fingers wouldn't shut off, so you got to see my face. Reverse direction on the camera, I couldn't shut it off.
I was wondering why it was like it reversed.
Yeah, my hand was wet and it wouldn't work.
What do you mean funky? I'm talking about all these weird colors.
Well, part of it's from rot.
Oh.
And part of it's from the beetle infestation. But the rest of those, there's only like really that one there that's usable. All the rest of them were really soft.
Is this piece here usable that you're working on?
Yeah. So out of this half the log, there's only 2 of them that really are worth bothering with. The others are...
Ah. That's kind of lame.
Yeah, you'd have to put a lot of epoxy and stabilize them. But that's the side it was laying on.
Yeah.
But because he needed slabs out of this, I cut the good side first. That way all the slabs he got were good.
Huh. Well, the rest of it seems pretty solid.
Yeah, got some cool color.
Yeah.
But now we can take a look at some juniper. This is better. This is cooler looking.
I guess he wants to show off his juniper.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Say that again.
I like it. I like it a lot. Color on it.
Is there gas in that gas tank?
No, it's empty.
Oh, well, you should probably move it still.
Yeah.
You won't want water in it.
Yeah, I just felt the saw. Sorry.
Very interesting. That is pretty wood. Too bad it wasn't bigger.
Yeah, well, there's tons of pieces that are a little longer.
Yeah, but that doesn't have the pretty pinks like this one does.
Well, that's because it's dried and in the sun.
Oh.
Get where the sun's not bleaching it.
Boy, that's a thin wood.
Yeah.
Wow. Good.
Yeah, I cut it all 1 inch thick. So it's a whole bunch of 1 inch because that was the biggest chunk I had. Oh, look there, a mosquito.
Already?
It's February and the damn mosquitoes are out.
I'm
gonna go over here. Wet down this.
And what's that supposed to be? Is that
This is maple.
Oh, that's the maple? Huh.
Got some spalting in it.
What are you doing?
Trying to scoot it over. Let the next one down. Just trying to slice you.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Interesting. And he's back to his
Back to my juniper.
juniper.
I like the juniper.
It is pretty neat. It is pretty neat.
It's got some character to it.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, guys,
And it smelled good when I cut it.
well, we are planning on doing a lot more videos for you guys, especially with all the wood that is coming on its way to us. And our saw, we've had some bad luck with our saw, but we have got the belts in, so we're going to be changing those by this next weekend, so we can really start jamming on this wood, because we're not going as fast as we can because of those.
Yeah,
Those
I
belts.
don't want to cut any of the wider stuff because we only got 1 belt on it. We snapped the other 2 belts.
But we do got 2 sets of belts now.
Yep. And the 14-hour days at work have kind of set me back on having time to play with the sawmill. So,
but we are planning on, guys, starting this coming up week, we are planning on getting at least a video a week out again.
yeah.
Hopefully we can keep that up for a while, because we do have
I got plenty of chunks of stuff laying on the ground.
all this stuff, and we got stuff over there. Plus we got big time stuff coming here in a few days. So,
well, if everything plays out, there'll be 3 semi-truckloads of black walnut showing up.
yeah, so we'll be busy for a while, guys. So hopefully, and if not, we got plenty of wood here, and we got plenty of wood 2 other places of our own. So
Yeah.
we're gonna be busy, but
Yeah. Really want to cut that cherry though. That's going to be pretty. Cherry and the pecan are ones I'm really wanting to get on the saw.
I'm excited about the cedar, actually.
Yeah, that's a. I wish
That's a
we
big
had the
piece of
rest
cedar.
the tree instead of just one short piece, because it's good diameter chunk.
Yeah, but that'd do a nice size dresser, or
Yeah.
even a chest, or
Yeah.
something. That'll be a nice size piece.
Yeah.
So,
Have to debate about cutting that. I might have to just cut for grade on it and flip it so you can do a cedar chest with it
that would be pretty.
instead of just slabbing it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll play it by ear when we get there. I think I really should probably try to do some cut for grade on it and get some nicer boards. Little cedar chest maneuver, but we'll worry about it when we get there. But, you know, like, share, subscribe. We need subscribers.
Yeah, because you guys remember, once we hit that 1,000 mark, we are going to give a $500 gift card away with some ends and odds, some hats, some shirts. You know, whatever we got, we're going to send it in the box with it. So, please, guys, like, subscribe, and share to anybody, and tell them the same thing. Everybody that's in there and subscribes and leaves a comment is going to be entered into a contest once we hit that 500 mark. I mean, the 1,000 mark. So.
All right. Well, thank you.
And if you guys need anything cut, or you need to buy anything,
We don't need no more wood right now.
But
I
if-
got plenty showing up.
but if you needed it, we would cut it for you.
Yeah.
Our number, and if you guys want to buy any wood too, we've got plenty. So our number is
447-9691, area code 208.
all right, guys. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, and this is just a kind of a sneak preview of some of the stuff that we've been cutting. Look at that big old walnut. That is a massive piece of walnut. So, you know, for the right money, we would even sell that. And I got another piece in the back too, you guys. But we've got some real pretty walnut. Tell me that's not beautiful. All right, guys. Bye.